Hey guys, it's Karolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have the week 2 of our Merry Makers Crafty collaboration. Today is November 16th, so all of us are posting something along the lines of either tags, ATCs, embellishments, or ornaments, or all of the above. Some of us will have tutorials, some of us will just have project shares, but there is about 12 of us, I think, in this collaboration. So definitely check out all of us in the description box down below. I'm going to have everybody linked, and please feel free to subscribe. It helps out all of our channels so much. If that's something you're interested in and you're going to be watching, please do subscribe and leave a comment. Like, what is your favorite from everybody's videos? If you guys are going to be watching everybody's videos, what is the favorite thing that they made? What is something that you want to give a try? What would you have done for this collaboration? What would you have created? And just kind of let us know. Or maybe you're inspired by something. Let us know. Please leave a comment. It helps all of our channels out so much. So you guys know I have been working through this paper pad. This is the Merry Everything paper pad by Craftsmith. I do have some projects I wanted to share with you guys today that I made with this in terms of tags. And then I also have some ornaments and embellishments I made as well. I did not get as much done for this week as I wanted to, just because I was also away in Colorado. And then when I got back, it has just been crazy busy with like custom orders and things I needed to get done. So yeah, let me just get started and I'll share with you guys what I did get done so far. Okay, so I'm going to move this aside. Like you guys know, I have been working through that. So I also mentioned in the beginning that I don't know if I'll be using that paper pad for this week specifically, but I did. So I made some chapstick tags. So they're like a little tag shape, and they're just like little chapstick holders. I made them for my craft fair with that same paper collection. I did pull some from another one, which is the Peace and Joy collection you guys saw me post about yesterday. Though I don't know if I put that in here because I know that this is from the Peace and Joy paper, but anyway. So we got this one, and there's just a bunch of different patterns. Some are from the Merry Everything, like this one. And then some are just other collections I had or scraps in my stash. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys what I did make. And these are so cute because, well, one, I made them in a tag shape, and I used whatever dies I had in my stash, you guys. I picked through my dies and I used what I had. So this wasn't meant to be a tag, like it wasn't a die set for chapstick, but I made it work. And I will have a tutorial coming on this week. So you guys can make some too for a craft fair idea. And it's got the little slit thing in the back, so you can just kind of peel that off and then open up your chapstick. And then I did some stamping here. You guys could see, may your Christmas be merry and bright. Added some bows, some ribbon and tulle, and I think it turned out super duper cute. So I will be having these at my craft fair, but I'll go over pricing and stuff when I do the tutorial video. But I just wanted to share with you guys for today because one of the categories was tags. And originally I thought I would be making a bunch of like mini notebooks, and my tags would be the tags in my mini notebooks. But we went a whole different route and we made chapstick tags instead. Or like, these would be really cute as like chapstick favors for like a party, if you're having a party as well. You could do it in whatever theme. So just stay tuned, you guys, for that tutorial. I will have it, like I said, up sometime this week. I'll film it this week, and I should have it up this week as well. So that was my tags. Then I also did make some ornaments. So let me show you guys that. And I'm gonna have a tutorial coming up on this week as well. So I made some Santa cam ornaments, and I included this little like printed thing of what the camera is, what the Santa cam is. However, I don't think this is finished yet. I think I'm going to be adding a bag topper because it just looks a little bit plain. But I have a bunch more that I made. I made them all the same. When you do these, you could also make some that say elf cam and things like that. But they just look like this. And I just think they're really cute. So I have a bunch of those. I still have like a few more I need to finish, but I ran out of ribbon. So I got to figure that out. And it's really cool kind of like how I even made these bows. So you guys are going to have to wait for the tutorial. I already filmed that one, so I just have to edit it. And then the last thing I made, so now we covered tags and tags and ornaments. And then the last thing I made is some embellishments. Now I didn't finish all of these as I wanted to yet. Like I said, I've been super duper busy, but I'm trying to get things done at the same time. So for these, I used a die set from Crafty Designs. This is her Christmas Words #2 die set. I'll link it down below in case you guys want to get some too. And of course, you guys could use the code Karolina for 10% off your order. You guys have seen these in some Christmas card folios that I have made as well. And well, I just wanted to make more. So I sat down one day, cut out a bunch of my green and red scraps. And then today, right before filming this video, I cut out the gold. Now the gold is not something I kind of want to cut out in advance just because you have the little eyes that are separate. And so I didn't want them to get too lost. I could keep them in these little things, but still I feel like they might get a little lost. So I only did a little bit right now just so I could share with you guys. And then this one says Merry Christmas. And then you could also use the Merry separate or use the Christmas separate. They don't have to go together on a project. Those are ones that you can do separately. Then I also have the words believe. These are some of my favorites. And I didn't do any in pink. I'm not big on pink crafting for Christmas, but I might go back and cut out some pink scraps as well. And everything just has the layer of gold, which has been great to use up my gold scraps because I have a ton of those. And I mean, I still have a ton. It doesn't seem like this does any dent, but I know I'm using it, so that makes me just happy. You could do the bells separate, or you could do it with like the jingle bells, or do it sideways on a project, however you want to do it. Like this one I might do together, like jingle bells. I don't have another green though for the bells, so this one I might just do jingle. It just really depends. I might add them onto some bag toppers that I want to make for this, but I'm thinking for this one I might want to do something else, so I don't know, we'll see what I come up with for that. I'll have to do a video on that also when I do my bag topper. We've got the word joy. This could be a cute little like tuck spot little thing in a project. We've got the word bright. So yeah, there are a bunch of words in here. I think I covered them all, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did I miscount? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, there's 8. I don't know how I counted 9. Because this is Merry and Christmas and then Jingle and Bells. So I got all of them here. And I love that these you could just cut out as one kind of plate because I didn't cut these apart. So you could cut out a bunch of the shadow layers at once. These ones are a little bit trickier because you do have to put them individually, but these work so well with my gold scraps because some of my gold scraps are like this little. So I could just do like a word and use up all my scraps that way. So even though sometimes I wish that these were also like as a die plate, I also like that they're not because I am able to use up my little scraps of gold foil paper. And then I did also cut out a bunch more of the shadow layer. Like I said, this part is the easier part. And then I just have to do all the gold layers and then get them stuck together. So that's a project as when I'm sitting like in front of the TV or something to get that done and die cut out. And last but not least, I also made some dangle charm embellishments and they turned out so cute. They all got like little bells, the little Santa's a bell, they've got the gold bell, they've got like a little peppermint, they've got little candy canes, so they're all like the same. They might look slightly different, but all have the same kind of like beads on here. One or two of them might be a different color from the next, but they're all listed like in one listing on my Etsy shop. So these are available in my Etsy shop. These are not going to my craft fair. So these are in my Etsy shop and they're so cute. I'm also going to insert like a little clip here so you guys can kind of see what it looks like when it's hanging in detail and not packed up. And I just think these turned out super duper cute. I make these every single year. And I have them in my Etsy shop every single year. And yeah, so I just think they turned out really adorable. I had so much fun making them, aside from my hand cramping, closing and doing all the little like jump rings and whatever. But it was fun to make them and see them. But it was fun to make them and see them come together. So I did also make some little dangle embellishments as well. So yeah, I think that is everything now. We've got my dangle embellishments. We've got these embellishments. We've got the Santa cams. And then we have all of the cute little like chapstick tags. So this was so much fun to get done for this week. Like I said, I didn't get done as much as I wanted to because I was in Colorado, but I tried to do as much as I can for this video. So I hope you guys check out everybody else as well that is part of this collaboration. See what they have. Stay tuned for all of my tutorials coming up on these little tags, and then also on the Santa cam ornaments. These guys, I'm just making embellishments, trying to get some done for next year, but they might end up on the bag topper, who knows. And then these guys are just little charm dangle embellishments that are available in my Etsy shop. So yeah, check out everybody else, see how they interpreted tags, embellishments, ATCs, and ornaments, and what they did on their channels. I know everybody has such awesome projects because they shared in our group chat like a little photo, and I'm just like, I cannot wait to see everybody's projects because I know they're gonna be so good. And I watched everybody's from last week as well. So yeah, check them all out, subscribe, leave a comment, please. It helps out our channels so very much. And then we will see you guys next week. Next week is holiday cards or Christmas cards. And I already have mine done for that. I just have to film it. So at least I'm ahead of the game right there. And I might make some more. We'll see. But that's next week. And then the following week after that is going to be gift card holders. So super exciting stuff. Lots of ideas for you guys this holiday season, so you guys can get your crafting done and ready for your gifts and whatnot. So yes, that is all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video, which is tomorrow because I'm posting every single day in November, but also next week for the Crafty collaboration. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye.